So alright guys, today I'm going to be playing some vrchat, and for those of you unaware, vrchat is basically 3D Second Life, but in virtual reality. And okay, it's not really Second Life, I can't like attach perms to myself. Well, technically you can. There are maps designed that let you do that. However, this is more like it's an entirely different beast compared to Second Life, but it's a lot like Second Life. So if you guys like that game, you are definitely going to like this game, trust me. Oh my god, what is going on here? I can't tell if there's a Yu-Gi-Oh battle going on or a giant monster battle. What on earth is that thing? Oh god. A little cat person? Wait, is that your dad up there? Why is he destroying other monsters? Why is he trying to eat me?
Because Nutter Butter's my favorite.
Oh, everyone loves the Nutter. Hey, some guy's stabbing up your car. You see that? Hey, this is an expensive car. Get back here. You gotta pay him back. Oh god, now I think he's trying to stab me. Oh, I love that thing. I really love you. Will you be my pet? I think my pet just committed suicide. What do I do about that?
Yeah, well...
I don't know how to process this. I'm really sad.
Get a Roomba.
Roomba, will you be my new pet? Oh, I can sit on him. I can ride my pet. Where did it go? Oh, let me... Oh. I can't. My pet won't let me ride it now. Oh, someone else is riding my pet. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, I could still... Oh, this is trippy. What am I doing? I'm like third person. There's a gun? Why is there just a random gun? Oh my god.
Wait, can I ride the Glock?
I don't know. If you can, that will be legendary. Oh, over ya. I'm just throwing up aimlessly right now. And it's gonna happen real life soon. Here, I'll get off my pet. You can take a turn on him. It's trippy.
Yeah. Oh, that is weird.
It's like third person barf explosion.
It's a goose.
You're like one of them inflatable T-Rex guys. They usually do TikTok videos. Are you one of those guys? Oh, I scared him. Oh, it's a furry waifu or something from FNAF.
It's a Ugandan goose, get it.
Ugandan goose? I love Ugandan. Ugh. Don't run me over. I'm only a little person. I'm a little. Don't do this to me. Pick me up. I don't want to get ran over. I think I'm too little to get ran over. I could just like duck down and yeah, I could just slide under the car. Hello. Wee. Oh, almost threw up, but wee.
I will be your hood ornament.
I wish I could be the hood ornament. I can't stand on the car though. This car is not real. The car is not real. What happens if I ride Roomba as a Ugandan Knuckles? How does this look? Oh, this is beautiful.
You look very deformed.
I look beautiful. What do I do if I emote? Can I even emote on this thing?
I don't know. What if I told you guys you could...
Oh, this is beautiful.
Ow! You stomp on me! Gee!
Oh, I was trying to do more than stomp. I don't have that many emotes.
Cutting your tires.
This Roomba's almost more fancier than this car. At least you could sit on it. This thing is it's non-existent. I just go right through it. This is like that car from RoboCop, the SUX 6000 or whatever. This car sucks. Ugh.
Big is back, because bigger is better. 6000 SUX, an American tradition.
Hey, Jojo. Oh, this Roomba's trying to ride. You can do it, buddy. I believe in you. Just make the jump. You got this. I know the car is not real, but you could sit in the seat. I believe in you. I'll catch you, don't worry. I almost got you. One more jump, little fella. Oh, I can't. My arms don't exist. It's a dead meme. What's he say for yourself?
There is no pedal in this car.
Oh, Lord. Oh, you're beautiful. I needed to come over here and tell you you're absolutely beautiful.
There are no pedals in this car.
Thank you.
Oh, should I dare? Oh, I really want to. No, keep looking that way, Chief. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
I think we've got like 20 Roombas in this baby.
I'm very afraid right now.
Okay. It's good. It's all good, Chief. You're only gonna respawn now. I can do that too, but I got a gun.
You can sit on me, and I'll go faster than the car. I go faster than the car. Let's go.
Preston, look at me. Bye, Biggie Cheese.
I'm gonna break an Olympic record, guys. Watch. I'm gonna jump this car. Ah! Never mind, I'm dead. Oh, that's beautiful. I think I had a dream like this. Oh, that's not pretty though.
Biggie Cheese riding a Kmart Roomba.
Nice try.
Can I pick the Roomba up while he's riding the Roomba? That's the question. If I can even bend down that low.
No, I can't.
Get on.
I don't think
Get on, Roomba buddy. You can... I don't know. Oh god, why do I have to be sitting for this?
Nobody can jump high enough.
Ah, I tried.
Yeah, you
Not even I.
Well, that sucks. I got denied.
So good. My car's faster.
That car is actually much better. It has memes in it. This car is better. Oh, well, take me with you. Oh, I'm actually fast as that car. Cool.
No.
The nut power. Nut power.
No.
Using the full power of my nut, I will beat you. Your legs have to be going like 150 miles an hour. How are you going that fast? You're only like an inch tall. Oh, I think we broke the world. There's another little person. What is this with the little people being so much quicker? Legs are like, must be like an Olympic athlete. You're going 150 miles an hour. The road's still building on itself. We outran the reality. We're out of the Matrix, boys. We done it. And I think I am done. Well guys, I think that's it for this video. I doubt you could hear anything I was saying because it's on the desktop mic and I keep moving away from it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this video off here. It's EasyPK signing off. Peace.
Roombas in it, but I think that one can fit like 50.
This should be pretty much plug and play. I don't think there's a whole lot of settings here that you need to configure to do that with. It was hooking on the limit switch as well as the power supply. Now the limit switch is